The teacher's eyes sparkled and her lips broke into a gentle smile. It's really very simple. She said, I loved those boys. What a beautiful line. She said, I loved those boys. Please think about it. On love. The day will come when, after harnessing space, the wind, the tides, and gravitation, we shall harness for God the energies of love. And on that day, for the second time in the history of the world, we shall have discovered fire.
Tielhard de Chardin,
A French Jesuit, Catholic priest, scientist, paleontologist, theologian, philosopher, and teacher. Love, the one creative force. Spread love wherever you go. First of all, in your own house. Give love to your children, to your wife or husband, to your next door neighbor. Let no one ever come to you without leaving better and happier. Be the living expression of God's kindness. Kindness in your face, kindness in your eyes, kindness in your smile, kindness in your warm greeting. Mother Teresa, an Albanian Indian Catholic nun and the founder of the Missionaries of Charity. A college professor had his sociology class go into the Baltimore slums to get case histories of 200 young boys. They were asked to write an evaluation of each boy's future. In every case, the students wrote, he hasn't got a chance. 25 years later, another sociology professor came across the earlier study. He had his students follow up on the project to see what had happened to these boys. With the exception of 20 boys who had moved away or died, the students learned that 176 of the remaining 180 had achieved more than ordinary success as lawyers, doctors, and businessmen. The professor was astounded and decided to pursue the matter further. Fortunately, all the men were in the area and he was able to ask each one, how do you account for your success? In each case, the reply came with feeling, there was a teacher. The teacher was still alive, so he sought her out and asked the old but still alert lady what magic formula she had used to pull these boys out of the slums into successful achievement. The teacher's eyes sparkled and her lips broke into a gentle smile. It's really very simple. She said, I loved those boys. Eric Butterworth, the best-selling author of 16 books and a prominent leader in the Unity and New Thought movements, rose to popularity with his inspiring messages of personal renewal and positive prayer. What a beautiful line. She said, I loved those boys. Please think about it. Thank you. See you soon, inshallah.
ਤੁਰ ਗਏ ਯਾਰ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਾਨੀ ਵਤਨ ਚੁੱਕ ਮੁਹਾਰਾ ਉਜੜੀ ਬਸਤੀ ਯਾਰੋ ਨਜ਼ਰੀ ਆਵੇ ਕੰਡ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਦ ਯਾਰਾਂ